What's up, everybody? Daoud from DrMissions, and today we're in the office right now, and we're looking at the analytics of our site. And the point of putting out content, right, is to make sure that we're informing the people in order to bring them back to make sure that they make an order, right? So we're looking up some ways of how we get, some of our acquisitions. And we're focusing on the social media aspect, right? And we're looking at all the ways that we're getting different hits on our site, and we're getting a lot of them through Instagram stories, which I haven't took a look at the analytics in a while, which is showing me something new. And I'm going to be putting a lot more Instagram stories up with the link to be able to swipe up. Facebook, I'm going to be doing about more Facebook, and YouTube. As you know, YouTube, we started our YouTube channel recently of last year, and we're going to be putting more content out on YouTube to be able to inform other people who are interested in improving their health, other people who are in like-minded entrepreneurs and want to follow, the same footsteps, and to be able to document the process. So Google Analytics is what I'm using right now. If you have a website and you're not using Google Analytics, I definitely recommend that you use it. You can see everything from the amount of people who are coming to your website, where they're coming from, what type of people they are, meaning their demographics. Let's look at my demographics right now. So the age, which a lot of my customers are 25 to 34. That's 33% of my customers are age 25 to 34. 22% is 35 to 44, and another 22% is 45 to 54. And 13% is 55 to 64. So I'd say 50, 60, 40. It's a good 75% of my clientele is from 25 to, let's say, 50, 55. 75% of my clientele is in that range, and it's 50%, half, 49.1% male and 50.9% for the male. Actually, 49.1% for the females and 50.9% for males. So females, come on, let's pick it up. And that was something that I didn't always realize. I thought that more females would be interested in their health, because most of the time females are more proactive with their health versus men. But maybe because I put out a lot of context, and a lot of men can relate to me. So that's maybe, something that's playing a part into different things, but it's playing a part into it. But it's more 50%. It's half and half. But I have to look on my my Instagram analytics, which a lot of that content is of me. So probably a lot of men can relate to me, and that's why we have a lot of people in the age range from 25 to 34, because I'm 28. So probably a lot of people in that age range is going to be able to relate to me, which is something that I'm happy about, because a lot of times we're not able, or it's not something that we most all the time care about. And let me take this sip of water. So a lot of times young people take for granted their youth, and with that they don't take care of their health. And then by the time they're 30, 40 wraps around, and their health is diminishing and stuff like that. So that's something that I like, that now our young people are, including myself. I'm not, young as well. You know, our peers, my peers, are taking their health proactive, and those maybe sometimes telling their parents. You know, I seen that. The other day, a youth, he brung the tonic to his mother. So it's a good thing that we got going on. If you're watching this video and you like what you're seeing, let us know. Subscribe. If you want to see more analytic stuff, let me know in the comments below. Definitely been using analytics as a huge tool to know what type of content to put out, on what platforms to put out, to see what people are coming to the website. So, you know, there's a lot that goes behind the scenes of Dr. Mission. So if you like what you see, subscribe, follow, and peace. See you in the next one.